Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the MGC 4x4. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So, this always happens to me with MGC cubes. I don't want to damage the cube. I mean, not the cube, the box. Because these boxes are... I already damaged it a little bit. It's okay. These boxes are actually kind of nice. But let's just see. Alright. Wow, the sleeve came off really easily today. Alright, so it comes with the cube and also an accessories box. So in the accessories box, you'll get a screwdriver, springs, magnets. Well, actually there are two sizes of magnets and other springs. So, and also a tutorial how to solve it. So great stuff, but not really in need right now. Alright, let's put that away. Let's take a look at the cube. Alright, so the cube is glossy plastic, feels good in hand. Okay, wow, this feels really fast, a little bit dry. Corner cutting seems amazing. Yeah, it's pretty good. Except just feels a little bit too fast for me right now. And a bit loud, so I'm gonna go closer to the mic. And just in case, if it's like the sound of this is just too much, but right now it feels amazing. Let's try parity. Oh wow, this feels doesn't feel like it's gonna pop so much for me, but again it just depends on the turning style of people. Like, if you have a pretty aggressive turning style, this cube is not for you. If you have a pretty calm and good turning style, like fluid, accurate turning style, then it's a pretty good cube for you. Although aggressive, like if you're a pretty inaccurate turner, I think this cube will be, it will not be good for you, because you're gonna have to. It's just too fast. Unless you put slow lube in it, I think it's not a good thing, or it's not a good cube for you. So it's just my opinion, honestly. So if you think it's still pretty good, then you definitely get it. The cube feels a little dry right now. It feels really dry. Alright, so I'm gonna do some solves, and let's see how it feels. Okay, that's actually a pretty bad solve, but the cube was amazing. Like, the parity algorithm, it's just a lot of fun to do with this cube. The only downfall with this cube is that it does not come pre-lubricated, and the inner layers feel really dry and sandy out of the box, so you might need to have some lubricate in your hands. So if you're gonna plan on buying this cube, just know that it's gonna come pretty dry, so you might want to have some lubricant with you. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this first impression. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to watch the whole review on this, where I go through all the internal designs, compare it with other cubes, and overall my impressions of using it after 1 week, definitely stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you guys all next time.